Whether you're looking to improve the efficiency of your home's upkeep or simply a way to admire the bird life that visits your backyard, the latest generation of home gadgets offer a range of exciting options. In this video, we are bringing you 5 highly practical and innovative home products, which will not only save your back, but bring you a new sense of wonder. But before that, if you are a gadget lover and want to stay up to date, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. The Ring Always Home is a lightweight, autonomous indoor security camera that can fly around your home to check for trouble or see if you left the stove on. The camera uses LiDAR sensors to navigate your home and will only travel along predetermined flight paths programmed by you. It only records when in flight and docks in a small basket to charge where the camera lens is blocked. You can schedule flights or trigger a trip manually. In addition, the camera is able to respond to certain events such as an armed door or window sensor in the Ring alarm system being set off. Once airborne, you'll receive a notification on your mobile device, allowing you to pull up live video of whatever your Always Home has its sights on. Real-time footage streams in 1400 by 1400 HD video. And rest assured about your treasured home decor, for there's plenty of object avoidance tech loaded into the drone to keep it away from walls, furniture, and other valuables. The camera is not designed to cover multiple floors, so flying up or downstairs seems to be out, along with remote control, which Ring said will not be possible for security and privacy reasons. If you are in need of a home surveillance system with greater coverage, the Ring Always Home is well worth checking out. The Ebo X Home Robot is a home robot that offers a slew of features. It can serve as a guardian with its home security and health alert system, alongside being a cute companion and playmate for your family. The Ebo X sports an 8-megapixel 4K camera with a 1-axis stabilization system alongside a 4-microphone array and reliable far-field sound sensors, which lets it identify the source of sounds accurately. Ebo X can not only move on flat surfaces, but also across some uneven ground, utilizing its self-balancing 2-wheel design, which is both quick and responsive. You can ask it to play songs via Alexa or fit it into your smart home system. If your child says, "Ebo, follow me," the Ebo X will follow them wherever they go. If a child is crying or anyone at home is experiencing an emergency and calling for help, the Ebo X will detect it and trigger an app call to the user. In the event that an elderly person has fallen, the Ebo X will send an alert out via its pose inspection algorithm. Furthermore, using facial recognition, it can provide individualized voice reminders about medication. The Enact Ebo X is an innovative and heartwarming robot, which is an ideal gift for a child's upcoming birthday or extra care for an elderly family member. The NetView Birdfire AI feeder is a bird feeder with a built-in wireless camera that lets you get up close and personal with the birds in your yard and even tells you the types of birds that you're seeing. You can customize how sensitive the motion detection is, set up a sleep schedule so you won't receive notifications when birds or motion is detected during certain times, and also filter the notifications to only detected people, birds, etc. The camera's image quality is sharp, which makes it easy to see and recognize the birds or squirrels that visit your feeder. You'll be notified with a quick thumbnail on your phone or tablet when the camera has detected motion. You can also scroll back through a timeline to watch short video clips of the detected motion. When a bird visits your feeder, you will also be informed of its species, or at least in theory. The NetView Birdfire AI does a decent job of identifying bird species. However, there is still room for improvement. Even without the optional solar panel that you can plug directly into the Birdfire, the built-in battery life of the camera is stellar with up to 6 months per charge. The NetView Birdfire AI will introduce you to a new world of wonder and is well worth the price. The Moen Smart Sprinkler is a smart irrigation system that can be used to remotely control watering locations and frequency in your yard, helping to keep plants healthy while reducing water waste. The Moen system can be installed onto an existing irrigation system in under 30 minutes and is available in 8 and 16 zone models that allow you to manage different sections of your garden independently if you have plants with variable watering requirements. Users can monitor water usage and estimated savings, as well as set up customized watering schedules and enable seasonal features such as weather skip, which uses local weather data to disable your sprinklers when rain is predicted in the area. The Moen Smart Sprinkler Controller can also be monitored and operated via a smartphone app rather than just the unit itself. The Moen Smart Wireless Soil Sensors are completely wireless, so you don't need to dig trenches in your lawn to run cables. The sensors monitor your soil and adjust your watering to ensure just the right amount of water is used to keep your lawn healthy. Each sensor includes a lithium battery that lasts up to 6 years. So if you like the idea of a meticulous, hassle-free watering solution that reduces your water consumption up to 30%, the Moen Smart Sprinkler System is your answer. The Dyson 360 V's Nav was designed with superior suction power, effective navigation, and maneuverability front of mind. You can control the V-Nav from your phone with a smart app. Deeply intuitive, it allows you to schedule cleanse around the house according to a zoned floor plan, which can then be made into a regular cleaning routine. Beyond this, the vacuum can create a dust map of your home, becoming aware of hotspots that require increased suction power. The brush of the 360 V's Nav has been optimized to clean various surfaces and collect different types of dirt and grime. Combining soft, fluffy nylon, anti-static carbon fiber, and stiff nylon, it can tackle large debris, fine dust, and whatever might be squished into your carpet, leaving all floors equally clean. Another aspect that sets this robot vacuum apart is its vision. With a fisheye-style camera installed in its top, it has a 360-degree range to see your entire house as it moves, and a rapid processor so it can map its surroundings and remember them with the help of the app. In regards to suction, the 360 V-Snav's motor spins up to 110,000 rotations per minute to create suction 6 times stronger than that of any other robot vacuum on the market. Paired with its mapping system and 360-degree vision, there's no other vacuum like it. So guys, if you are looking for a home gadget, we hope these recommendations have brought you closer to that ideal device. Links to all products can be found in the description. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and thank you so much for watching